Everything is mind, everything is mental. The Kabbalion. Everything is a product of consciousness. The universe is mental and that all is mind. We, through ages, find ourselves contemplating the profound question of existence. What lies at the core of our being? What is the fundamental essence that permeates all creation? These timeless inquiries have ignited the flames of curiosity within humanity, propelling us on a quest for truth and understanding. To comprehend the first Hermetic principle, law of mentalism, we must first grasp the elusive concept of the All. It is described as infinite, absolute, eternal, and unchangeable, unknowable, far beyond the limitations of the finite and transient. As we look into the nature of the All, we recognize that anything finite, changeable, and conditioned, of course, cannot encapsulate its essence. In reality, as there exists nothing outside of the all finite manifestations are akin to the ephemeral whisper of nothingness. Although the All remains shrouded in the veil of unknowability, the human mind finds itself compelled to come to terms with certain truths regarding its existence. These truths, which resonate with the reports of the illumined on higher planes, beckon us to embark on a profound inquiry. By exploring these truths, we may gain insights into the essence of our existence and unlock the boundless potential that lies within. Observing the world around us, we encounter the concept of matter, energy, and force, the physical foundation upon which all forms manifest. Modern science, venturing into the depths of understanding, has begun to question the very existence of matter. It tells us that what we perceive as matter is, in truth, an interrupted energy or force vibrating at a low rate. Matter has thus melted into the realm of mystery, prompting science to now rest upon the foundation of energy. And according to the Kabbalion, we must not mistake matter as synonymous with the All, as matter alone cannot manifest life or mind. And since life and mind are evident in the universe, we must conclude that the All transcends the confines of mere matter. This is also true for energy and force. The energy or force that materialists propose is fundamentally distinct from the grandeur of the All. Their vision of energy or force is limited, blind, and lacking of life or mind to conceive that life and mind could evolve solely from this sort of mechanical energy or force. And if blind energy or force were the foundation of all existence, then life and mind would not be life and mind. As the axiom states, nothing can rise higher than its own source. Nothing is ever manifested in an effect that is not inherently present within the cause. Meaning, matter, energy, and force cannot evolve into the All. Yet we stand as living beings, equipped with the very mind that ponders this question. We too must acknowledge that the All cannot be reduced to mere energy or force or matter, as mentioned, unchangeable. If the former cannot be the All, then does life and mind consists of the All? The All transcends the specific planes of existence. The All represents the ultimate source and essence of all that is, the underlying unity and infinite power from which all planes and levels of existence emanate. It is important to understand that the All is not confined to a particular plane but encompasses all planes simultaneously: the physical planes, mental plane, divine plane. The physical plane is the realm of tangible matter, where the laws of physics govern the interactions of material objects. It is the plane of the physical senses, where we perceive the world through touch, sight, sound, taste, and smell. This plane encompasses the physical universe, including our bodies, the earth, and all physical phenomena. It is the most familiar plane to us as human beings, as it is where our physical existence unfolds. Moving beyond the physical plane, we encounter the mental plane. This plane transcends the limitations of the physical senses and encompasses the realm of thoughts, ideas, and mental processes. It is the plane of the mind, where the power of thought becomes a creative force. Here, the laws of causation operate at a mental level, influencing our experiences and shaping our reality. The mental plane is where the true nature of the mind is revealed, and it is through our thoughts and mental states that we can navigate and influence this plane. Lastly, we come to the spiritual plane, the highest and most sublime of the three planes. This plane goes beyond the physical and mental realms, representing the realm of pure spirit, consciousness, and divine essence. It is the plane of transcendence, where unity and interconnectedness are realized. On this plane, we connect with our higher selves, divine wisdom, and universal truths. It is through the exploration and alignment with the spiritual plane that we can experience spiritual growth, enlightenment, and a deeper understanding of our purpose in the grand tapestry of existence. These three main planes are not separate and isolated from each other, but rather interwoven and interconnected. They form a unified whole, each plane influencing and reflecting the others. The physical plane provides a foundation for our human experience, while the mental plane allows us to shape our reality through the power of our thoughts. The spiritual plane, on the other hand, guides us toward the realization of our divine nature and the interconnectedness of all things. While each plane has its own characteristics and dynamics, the All can be seen as the unifying force that pervades and transcends them all. It is the life force that animates everything and the mind that permeates all levels of existence. The All can be understood as the primal consciousness from which all consciousness arises, and the creative power from which all creation unfolds. If we confine our understanding to the limitations of our mortal existence, we shall fall short of grasping the true essence of the boundless universe. The All surpasses our comprehension of life and mind as we know it, for it exists on a transcendent plane far beyond the grasp of our finite faculties. Therefore, in the writings of the Kabbalion arrive at the conclusion, the All is an infinite living mind. In short, everything is mind, everything is mental. So, here lies a remarkable notion, that the All, the ultimate source of all that is, creates the universe through the power of its own mind. Just as the consciousness of the All creates its existence, we, as human beings, are justified in considering that the creation of the universe is a mental act, akin to our own process of forming thoughts and images within our finite minds. It affirms that the All can only create mentally, devoid of material substances, for there is none to employ, and without reproducing itself, as such an act is beyond possibility. Thus, reason leads us to the resounding conclusion that the universe in all its grandeur is a manifestation of the mental prowess of the All, just as you, in a limited capacity, can fashion a universe within your own mind. The parallel between these acts of creation is undeniable, yet the distinction lies only in the magnitude. If you scale it down, your universe is a product of a finite mind. If you upscale it, the All is a creation of the infinite. While the All embodies a vast and limitless consciousness, our individual minds reflect a microcosm of that expansive awareness. Just as the ocean contains countless droplets, each with its own distinct identity, our minds encapsulate a fragment of the infinite consciousness that exists within the All. Though seemingly separate, these fragments are interconnected, intrinsically linked to the greater whole. Undeniably, we are interconnected with the All, a small, tiny part of the boundless and infinite consciousness that permeates the cosmos. But we cannot lay claim to being the All or God in its entirety. This understanding emerges from the intricate balance between our individuality and the vastness of the universal consciousness. Claiming to be the All or God in its entirety would imply a sense of omniscience, omnipotence, and omnipresence that transcends the boundaries of our individual existence. While we may touch upon glimpses of the divine within us, we ultimately remain finite in our human form, with its inherent limitations and boundaries. The intention here is not to erase or diminish the profound sacredness and divine nature of each individual's existence, but instead invites us to embrace the beauty of our unique journey. And within each of us, there is actually two of us: the higher self that observes and witnesses the creation of mental images within our own minds, and the part of our mind where the generation of thoughts, ideas, and images takes place. This actually let us catch a glimpse of the next law, the law of correspondence. As above, so below. As within, so without. The patterns and phenomena we observe within ourselves mirror the workings of higher and lower planes of existence. But we will leave the law of correspondence to the next video. In this, we come to realize that our own little world, Earth, is but a minuscule speck amidst a multitude of other worlds and universes. Beyond the scope of our comprehension, there exist countless realms and planes of existence far greater and more magnificent than our own. The gods themselves, whom we have often regarded with awe and reverence, pale in comparison to the beings that inhabit these higher planes of life. Yet it is remarkable to ponder that these extraordinary beings were once as we are, limited and bound, and they too have traversed the path of evolution and ascension, transcending the limitations of mortal existence. The illuminated ones, the bearers of ancient wisdom, have shared with us the profound destiny of humankind. We are imbued with the ability to mold our reality through the thoughts and intentions that emanate from the depths of our minds. Just as the All creates and sustains universes through its infinite mind, we have the power to shape our personal universes through the vast landscapes of our thoughts and emotions. Ultimately, recognizing the power of intention and manifestation, contributing to the evolution of our own souls and the collective consciousness as one.